Hey guys, today we're making a delicious and keto-friendly taco soup. Everyone, no joke, that I've given this to has gone back for second bowls. Now I'm making a huge stock pot that feeds me for more than a week. Feel free to cut this in half or thirds. Here's a quick run through of what we'll need. We'll need 6 pounds of ground beef or chuck. Use whatever's on sale. Some red pepper flakes and paprika. You can use Spanish or smoked. Some cumin, some chili powder. A little bit of oregano, 2 different kinds of diced tomatoes with chilies. I use a combination of chipotle and the originals. Some boned beef broth of your choice, black pepper, regular salt, 6 packs of cream cheese, and a little bit of heavy whipping cream. First thing we do is cook. I won't say brown because there's so much grease in here. It doesn't really brown, but cook up the 6 pounds of beef, fully drain it, and then we'll begin adding our spices. 3 tablespoons of the chili powder, 1 tablespoon of the red pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 of paprika, 1 of cumin, 1 of salt, and finally 1 of black pepper. And then in go the cans of tomatoes, complete with the juice. Bring this up to temp, and then we can add our cream cheese, break it apart, and really get it to melt. You can smush the pieces around here and there, but it'll fully melt over the next step. Once you get that combined, go ahead and add in 2.5 containers of the beef broth, 1 cup of the heavy whipping cream, and then stick it on a really slow simmer for the next 4 hours. Just stirring occasionally to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. And there you go. Ladle this out into a bowl and it is absolutely delicious, extremely healthy, very low in carbs, very filling, and really helps you stick to your diet plan. That's it. We'll see you next time.